Hello students, hope you all are safe at your homes. I'm Kajal and today we are going to discuss the first chapter of the 10th standard students physical education, human growth and development. We were discussing this chapter and today we are going to continue with this chapter. Today we will discuss the adolescence stage of this chapter. Adolescence period is from 12 years old to 19 years old. This period is known as a delicate period and challenge for parents because in the teenage children want to live independent as they consider themselves to take responsibility like adults. Sex differences is prominent and brings sex consciousness in the students in the children. The social and psychological changes takes place in this period and that's why sometimes they neglect their family and giving more importance to their friends. Adolescents need good diet, heavy physical workout, creative activities, logical explanation, good friends, as well as teenagers should be motivated to develop moral values, controlling the emotions, proper use of finance, etc. Adulthood stage from 19 years to 65 years. It has two phases, youth stage and the adult stage. Youth stage from the 19 years to 35 years. It is a development process that prepares a young person to meet the challenges of adolescence and adulthood and to achieve his or her full potential. Next one, adult stage from 35 to 65 years old, and in this one in this stage biological and psychological domains of a person are totally changing, and the domains of a human life from of the adolescence until the end of one's life. These changes may be gradual or rapid and can reflect positive, negative or change from the previous level of functioning. It means that developing an independent sense of self and gaining the traits associated with the wisdom and social maturity. Next one, adolescent changes, needs, problems and the management. Adolescence changes, needs, problems and management. The word adolescence is derived from a Latin word which means grow to maturity. Adolescence is growing period from childhood to maturity, and in this stage the teenagers need special attention from their parents. Adolescence changes, physical changes, psychological changes, emotional changes and social changes. Physical changes. In this period rapid physical changes happens. Puberty brings remarkable sex differences which changes the shape of individuals, such as the breast development as well as they are gaining the weight. In the boys too, that beard came and other changes occur in the physically in the children. Psychological changes, as compared to the physical development, the psychological changes are at a lesser pace. The identify of good and bad is up to the mark in the teens, maybe due to the lack of experience. Though the intelligence of individual is developing, but it is lacking in the practical approach. No doubt their intelligence is developing in this stage, but because they are not much mature at that time, so that's why sometimes they are doing some mistakes too. They are because they don't have that much sense to know what is good and bad for them. Next is emotional changes. The emotions in the adolescence are very sudden and very intense. Sometimes they become very angry, sometimes they are behaving very good. So several kind of emotional changes are also becoming in the teenagers. Their aggressive attitude, the next one, their behavior. So several kind are there. Spiritual guidance they need, development in the habits, proper attention, time, understanding. Family needs emotional control and expression of the emotions in a proper way in this in this period. Next is the social changes. Teenagers enjoy the company of his friends, thus the family attachment declines. He totally neglect his family sometimes, and he would like to give his time, most of the time, to his friends, and as well as he is showing his loyalty toward his group, friend circle and friends. Problems of the adolescence. Aggressive and violent behavior. They are showing aggressive and violent behavior, overconfident and hide mistakes. They are becoming overconfident sometimes and hiding their mistakes, trying to hide their mistakes because they are thinking that if they will reveal their mistakes, that will be an insult for them. in friends given importance, they are giving more importance to their friends as compared to the family. Wastage of the time, they are wasting their time on the social medias by watching tvs, movies, and etc other works. Deflected towards drugs and smoking, sometimes they are likely show interaction towards the drugs to overcome his tensions due to the bad company, or as well as sometimes they come in the depression due to the loads also. Next one, wrong sexual desires, because now they are becoming mature, so sometimes there is a strong sexual desires in the teenagers, and sometimes they commit a wrong sexual relationship also and attain them by the wrong means, like going to the prostitutes, teenager pregnancy, etc. Lack of concentration, teens have the low concentration in the studies, and sometimes they lose their interest if their result is not satisfactory in the academics. Neglect family, they are avoiding their family and like to give much time to their friends. Next, lavish expenses, they want to show off in this stage, so sometimes they need, or they are spending the money on the useless things like makeup of goods, jewelry, etc. Beauty conscious, teenagers become more conscious about the beauty. Attraction toward the opposite sex, they are showing the attraction toward their opposite sex. Inadequate rest and sleep, during the age, teenagers often have sleepless nights, inadequate rest and sleep. This causes many abnormal health problems. Management of adolescence periods. Proper knowledge of the adolescent psychology. Parents, teachers, and guardians should be aware of adolescent psychology. They must understand the behavioral changes in the child as well as try to overcome their mental tensions and try to be their friends. Providing healthy environment. The atmosphere at the home, at the school should be playful, cheerful, as well as calm for them, so that they should feel comfortable in that environment and should be able to share their problems with the family as well as with the teachers. Proper sex education. In this age, the parents as well as the teachers should guide them about their sex, and they should give them the sex education so that they should be able to overcome their problems, sex related problems especially. Correction and checking of mistakes. At this age, the teachers and the parents should correct them and should be aware, so that they should be able to proper guide them and will be able to prevent them from the mistakes. Proper use of time. The teenagers have a lot of energy and need of good programs channelized in it proper way, so that their participation in the physical activities in it proper way, so that their participation in the physical activities such as sports games should be there, and so that they will be able to use their proper energy in a right way. Mode of education. Adolescents must be properly guided by the teachers and the parents. Parents' education must be provided by them in an interesting way, so that they should explore their knowledge by other ways. Next is development of the moral values. In the teenagers, the parents and the teachers should develop the moral values, so that they should be able to keep them on the right path. Spiritual guidance. We should give them a spiritual knowledge, so that they should be able to overcome their problems as well as should be able to meditate whenever they are in the difficulty, and will be able to control their mind as well as the destructive ideas in their mind can be controlled through the religious thoughts. So this was your chapter. Hope you understood. Thank you very much.